Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing healthy recipes using dried bitter gourd pieces. Bitter gourd helps to reduce blood sugar levels and hence is best for diabetic persons. First, let us see how to dry the bitter gourd. Ingredients are bitter gourd or karela 5, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and salt 2 teaspoons. Firstly, wash the bitter gourds thoroughly under running water. Then, cut the bitter gourd into small pieces as being shown here in the video. Bitter gourd is a rich source of antioxidants, flavonoids and other polyphenol compounds. Remove the seeds from the bitter gourd while chopping. Then, add salt and turmeric powder to the bitter gourd pieces and mix it well. Bitter gourd is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, zinc, iron and fibre. Squeeze the bitter gourd pieces and mix it as being shown here in the video. This helps to release the excess water from the bitter gourd. Then, squeeze the bitter gourd pieces to remove the excess water and transfer it into another container. Then, repeat the squeezing process for the second time and spread the squeezed bitter gourd pieces on a clean plate. Bitter gourd also helps to reduce high blood cholesterol levels. Then, sun-dry these bitter gourd pieces for about 2 to 3 days until the pieces are completely dried and devoid of any moisture. These dried pieces can be stored in an airtight container for up to 1 year and can be used as and when required. We are showing a couple of recipes using these dried bitter gourd pieces. First recipe is bitter gourd raita. To prepare this, take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to it. Then, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add half teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon sesame seeds and 1 dry red chili to it and fry it for about a minute. Then add 2 teaspoons of dried bitter gourd pieces to it and fry it for about a minute. Then turn off the flame and keep it aside. Take half cup of freshly grated coconut and grind it into a smooth paste by adding little water. Then extract the coconut milk. Add fresh curd to the extracted coconut milk and mix it well. Also, add the fried dried bitter gourd pieces along with the spices to it and mix it well. Add salt if required as the dried bitter gourd pieces already contain salt. Bitter gourd raita is now ready. The next recipe is dried bitter gourd stir fry. To prepare this, take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to it. Then add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 dried chilies and 5 to 6 crushed garlic pods to it and fry it for about a minute. Then add 4 teaspoons of dried bitter gourd pieces to it and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then finally add half cup of freshly grated coconut to it and mix it well. Fry this mixture for about 2 minutes and then turn off the flame. The dried bitter gourd stir fry is ready. Try to include bitter gourd in your diet at least for once a week. Try these recipes and share your feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.